Patients after total ankle replacement most often are looking for pain relief and return to better function. They're looking for lasting pain improvement that can really help them throughout the rest of their lives. And total ankle replacement itself has been a wonderful example of how technology can achieve these goals. The most significant change in terms of the technology of total ankle replacement probably is severalfold. One of the biggest improvements has been the instrumentation, which allows us to put the implants in more precise and accurate ways. The other thing is the technology of the implant to bone interface. And that is particularly true with the Infinity because it has a 3D printed porous interface, which allows for great bone ingrowth. Another really exciting advancement in total ankle replacement technology has been the computer or CT navigation, which allows us to take a preoperative CAT scan and really plan for patient-specific surgery and alignment. So that is helping us for each individual patient, give them the best possible outcome. The biggest enhancement of the new Infinity compared to what we've had in the past is for bone ingrowth to occur because of the 3D printing. It also benefits the surgeons because at the time that we put the implant in, there's stronger fixation. And when the bone grows in well, then we don't have to worry as much about doing revision. So I think it's going to lead to better long-term outcomes and less need for revision surgery. Most of these patients that need a total ankle replacement are relatively young. So having an implant with a long-lasting life will help patients even in their 40s and 50s have good pain relief for a long period of time. And then, of course, another huge strength coming down the line with the Infinity is the polyethylene, which is the Everlast polyethylene, which is highly cross-linked and has vitamin E to prevent oxidation. And so there's very good reason to believe that those polyethylenes are going to last longer than anything that we've had before. What differentiates Infinity, aside from 3D printing, is, again, severalfold. One, the instrumentation is excellent and easy to use. Two, there's a nice interface between the Infinity and the other products that Wright Medical makes, such as its in-bone or Envision system. So in the case that you need to change up one of the components, such as the talus, you can do that very easily. If you need to go revise the implant or convert it to one of the other implants, such as the in-bone or Envision, it's also very easy. So there's a nice continuity of care with this product line. I think it's important to reevaluate our existing devices because we're making constant improvements. And that is particularly true for total ankle replacement, which has been around in earnest probably for about the last 12 years. And the number of advancements that we've made over time is incredible as we learn and build on each subsequent improvement.